Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm talking about a common issue that those in printing press usually have. It's a big problem. It's a big problem, for major business owners, those that are into printing. So there is this issue of when you print and you have spots on your printout, color spot. In printing we have CMYK, and when you print, sometimes you notice spot dots on your printout. So there is a way to solve that problem. And the way is you have to clean your laser bulb. We have four colors. So the four colors, each one has its own bulb, laser bulb. So and these laser bulbs are placed in your drum. So one thing is you need to know how to open the drum. That's the drum of your direct image printing machine. Then you bring out the laser bulbs one after the other and clean. Here in Nigeria, the most common thing that we use here is kerosene and tissue paper. All you have to do is, because if you notice the bulb, you will notice some spots on the bulb, and these spots are the ones bringing out this spot you are seeing on your paper. So most customers will not be satisfied, and this could lead into quarrel. This could lead into fight, could lead into insult, and inevitably cause a sort of loss of customers. So today I'll be talking about, and I'll be taking you around some videos. Now this video is quite long, but what you can do is forward them at intervals, so you can just get the point. Then you get to see. Okay, the first thing I'll do is I'll show you a picture of one of the jobs we did for a customer, and it had spots. So if that is what you're also experiencing, then what you need to do is what? Open your direct image machine, whatever machine it is, then bring each laser bulb out and clean. You need to clean them with kerosene, and you have to be careful about it. Make sure the bulb doesn't get cracked. Make sure your kerosene is not too much. Just add it gently to your tissue paper and clean softly. That's all. So once after cleaning that, clean your drum, then place them back inside. So I'll start with the paper. Then after that, we'll go to the next one of bringing out the drum. It's so unfortunate that I'm currently not in my office. I'm at home right now, and I don't really have my direct image machine here. But the video you're about to watch, it talks about all the things we did there when we had the same issue. So although the opening of the drum wasn't there, but if you need to know how to open your drum, if you're having issues opening your drum, what you need to do is scroll to the end part of the video. You will see how we closed the drum after cleaning everything. Then we placed uh the we yeah we inserted the laser bulbs and closed the drum back. So the same way we close the drum back is the way you are going to open the drum. So if you are having issues opening your drum, that's the drum of your direct image machine, then you can just go to the back. Then you see how we closed it. Then you can now follow that process and bring out your laser bulbs and clean. Then return the same way. As discussed earlier, guys, this is a sample of a printout from a machine that has such issues. You can see the spots on this printout. Now, like I said earlier, this is a laser bulb. Now, laser bulbs are what actually helps you in generating the printout that's from your design. So you can see the way I'm holding it gently now, and this particular one has been cleaned, and I'm returning it to the machine. Don't worry, it's a long video, so you're going to see how I'm going to remove another one, and after removing it, I'll clean it and place it back. So when you are putting it back, you have to put it back gently, as you are seeing in this video. You have to put it back gently. So you also remove another one gently. There are about four. There are four of them there, each representing a color. So you have to know which color you picked and where you are returning it to. It is quite important that you do that. So I've picked another one, and this very one, you can see I'm carrying it gently.
Now, the look of this drum is determined by the type of machine you use. On my table right there is my kerosene and tissue paper. So the first thing you want to do is you would want to remove some parts of it that would actually disturb you from cleaning the drum, the laser bulb. So there's a way you pin it. There's a pin there, so you just try and press it gently, then it comes out slowly. Then you remove and you undo it gently. So the first thing you want to do is you would want to clean the body of the laser bulb. So make sure the first thing you would want to add kerosene to your tissue, and make sure your tissue is not soaked. What you need is just a tip, it's just a little. So once you add a little, you make sure it's not so wet, and you clean the laser bulb gently. So it's not something that is difficult, it's something that is easy and anybody can do it. But you have to be very careful so that you don't destroy your machine the more. This particular video, we are using the machine we are using for this sample is Kyocera Ecosys M26 CDN. So this is a Kyocera product, and each company has its own design. And see, I'm talking about the spot. You will notice those spots on the bulb, those things that are causing spots on your paper. You notice them on the bulb. So these are some of the things that some of the challenges of a printing business. You keep on repairing machines up and down, but the major thing is it's profitable and you will definitely make your money back. So there are lots of things here, and uh, we can go on and on and on. And so this is just how it works. You can watch the entire video to the end and just follow the processes. Like I explained earlier, you can if you don't know how to remove your bulb, then you can follow the process I use in closing and replacing this bulb and closing the drum. So you can use the same process to remove your laser, what I call it, laser bulbs, and also clean your drum. So but this will be dependent on the type of machine you are using. Yeah, like I said earlier, this is Ecosys M26 CDN. So your own might be different, it might be Bizop, might be another one entirely, Xerox and other brands. So you have to determine which of them and how it is done. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section of this video. Also, you can go through this description part to join us on Telegram. You see a link to join us on Telegram. You see our website is there. So there are lots of ways you can reach out to us. If you want to buy a machine, you can also let us know. We will be willing to help you achieve your dreams in the printing business. So these are many more is what we do on this channel. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, and make sure you watch this video to the end. Thank you very much. Okay, happy watching.